temperatures are starting to heat up out there as well. You can see sunny skies out there from our studios here in downtown Dallas. And yes, it is heating up too. We're looking at those temperatures now, 84 degrees. Feels like it's 90 out there. That dew point, it is healthy once again. 72 we're looking at right now. And those winds are going to be out of the south at 9 miles per hour. And we're going to keep them in the 5 to 10 mile per hour range, I think, for the most part as we go through the day today. So plenty of sunshine. As you see out there, we'll have those low mid 80s heading out to Arlington at 84 right now, along with Louisville, and heading over to Richardson. We're looking at those upper 80s, though, getting out to Salina at 87, 84, heading over to Rockwall, along with Terrell, 86 in Greenville. And as we head a little farther west, those upper 80s heading out into Wise County, Decatur, Chico, and Bridgeport, all at 87. So it's warm late this morning. It's going to heat up later this afternoon. Those highs, mid-upper 90s we're headed for later today. Terrell around 95, 97 to 98 coming over to Fort Worth a little bit later today. 96 is that normal high. And as we mentioned, out at DFW, the hottest it's been so far, 97. So we could be looking at the hottest day of the year. In many locations, certainly going to be in the upper 90s, getting close to 100. But it will feel like it's up over 100 once we factor in that humidity today. 101 to 102, heading over to Fort Worth, McKinney, Denton around 102 to 103 with that feels like temperature. So yes, it will be seriously hot and humid out there. And that's what we can expect over the next several days. If we see any showers and thunderstorms today, it will be a stray shower storm well out to the south and east. So we're not expecting much in the way of rain. We're watching that tropical wave. It's a weak one moving along the Gulf Coast there, bringing some heavier downpours around New Orleans, along the Louisiana coast, and that will continue to drift westward over the next few days. And that will bring a few showers into the Houston, Galveston area over the next couple of days, and then increase that humidity here across North Texas. Now, right now, only about a 30% chance for some tropical development over the next couple of days. But again, it is going to bring some heavier rains along the Gulf Coast there, and eventually along the middle upper Texas coast there as we head into Texas as we get into tomorrow and Saturday. You can see that's going to curve a little farther north, staying well east of North Texas, so no major impacts from that disturbance as it works its way westward and eventually north, staying east of North Texas here. But we will see some higher humidity, I think, across the area. But any showers will be down towards south and east as we head into Friday. You see around Lake Charles, down toward Galveston and Houston, could be looking at some heavier rain, and then maybe a stray shower or thunderstorm into our far southeastern counties, maybe getting as far west into portions of central Texas as well as we head on into Saturday. But that's going to be about it as far as any precip is concerned, I think, for us as we head into the upcoming weekend. High pressure is going to still be the dominant feature across North Texas, so we're going to be talking about that heat and humidity over the next several days. It will continue to build. Rain chances just about zero for us, and you see that heat index maybe a little less hot on Saturday and Sunday, but that heat index, it's going to be a little hotter, 103 to 104, maybe even exceeding that in some locations, and we're going to keep it in the upper 90s as we head into the early part of next week. Here is that 14-day forecast. Will we see triple digits? Yeah, we very well could as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, going with around 98 to 99. So wouldn't be surprised at all if we do officially hit 100 for the first time, and it's going to stay hot and mainly dry even through the second half of that next 14 days. All right, Mark, back to you.